Dan and AD welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. Or why not visit us and buy your car in the traditional way? Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for a free valuation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01 332 585151.